Hi, welcome to Cuber Art channel. I'm sure that if you're a cuber, you like such type of algorithms that are very easy to spam and execute very fast, like this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some very spammable algorithms I found. So let's get into it. The first algorithm is when you have this block, those two corners, and every corner is already permuted, and these three edges look like this. Those colors are opposite. So the algorithm is you take out this pair, now you split it, and now unite this pair in another way, and it's done. I really love this one. The next case is very similar, but the edges are also permuted, and we just have two flipped corners, which is, I don't know if it's really spammable, but it's very easy, because you just do left anti-serum and right anti-serum. But if you are on an F12 step where this pair is connected and you insert it like this, instead you just do similar algorithm to the first one and get an OLL skip. Talking about similar algorithms, I also know this one with this pattern of corners, and the pair is here, so we just do this and OLL skip. But talking about F12 step, I also got some interesting algorithms, like with this pair, and the last layer is already oriented. Instead of just doing a normal algorithm, which is quite obvious, some suggest doing a Sion but with R2 moves instead of R and R prime, but that isn't really spammable, unlike triple sledge, so you skip OLL easily. Actually, both algorithms are good, but they also affect PLL step differently. Like here, this one gives a PLL skip, but this one doesn't. But I don't think this is really usable, and at what level we're gonna use it, I don't know. But to me personally, uh, even OLL skip is already satisfying. Next is this F12 case that looks just awkward, and maybe some are going to do this like this. But there are actually two algorithms that are easy and rotationless. So the first one is inserting the edge and doing it like this. The next one is less obvious, but if this slot is empty, this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is this awkward flipped edge. So first one is just very simple. The second one is I'm also taking out the back slot, the back pair, and it's done. So I'm doing a challenge of solving a 10 by 10 Rubik's Cube together. So please don't forget to go to the playlist tab of this channel. Goodbye.